The recall with the dumbbell. A dumbbell is made of one or more solid pieces of wood or of a rigid or semi-rigid, firm, non-toxic, non-wooden material similar in size, shape, and weight to a wooden dumbbell. Metal dumbbells are not permitted. The size of the dumbbell should be proportionate to the size of the dog. When handling the dumbbell, hold it by one of the ends, not by the bar. The dog should be taught to hold it securely by the bar. Prior to introducing the dumbbell recall, the dog should first be taught to take and give the dumbbell. Once the dog has accomplished this, lengthen the amount of time the dog holds the dumbbell in its mouth. While performing the dumbbell recall, the dog is asked to carry the dumbbell across the ring, coming to a sit position in front of the handler, at which point the handler reaches down and takes the dumbbell from the dog. The judge then gives the command for the dog to finish. The dog then returns to the heel position.